Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to track your video game collection using Airtable, your 2025 guide. Let's get started. First and foremost, create your Airtable account. It's free and user-friendly. This is our foundation. It's where we'll be tracking our games, noting their status, and even scoring them. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a new base. Click the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This is our workspace, essentially a fresh canvas for our video game collection. Next up, we're going to name our base. Call it Video Game Collection or something memorable. This step ensures easy access to our collection whenever we want to update or review it. Now we start designing our table, the fun part. We'll need a few columns: game title, platform, genre, status, rating, and notes. The reason we do this is to categorize our games and keep track of our progress and opinions. Once you've set up your columns, it's time to add your games. Input the details into the corresponding columns. This is where we populate our collection, turning our table from a skeleton into a living, breathing entity representing our gaming journey. Now let me explain why this matters. By tracking your video game collection in Airtable, you're creating a digital catalog that's easy to navigate, update, and share. It's your gaming world, organized. And there you have it. You've just set up your video game collection in Airtable. To wrap things up, remember that the beauty of Airtable is its flexibility. Feel free to add columns, attach images, or even link to other tables as your collection grows. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.